On the northeastern shore of Lough Neagh, Shane's Castle stands as one of Northern Ireland's most atmospheric historic ruins. Surrounded by woodland and overlooking the largest lake in the British Isles, the castle has long been associated with the powerful O'Neill dynasty. The estate takes its name from Shane O'Neill, one of the most famous Gaelic Irish leaders of the 16th century. Although the present castle was built much later, the site remained closely tied to the O'Neill family, whose influence shaped the history of Ulster for centuries. The current castle originated as a grand country residence in the 18th century. Designed to reflect aristocratic prestige rather than military strength, it replaced earlier fortifications and became the principal seat of the O'Neill family, overlooking the waters of Lough Neagh. For generations, Shane's Castle served as a centre of estate life, political influence, and social gatherings. Its picturesque setting and impressive architecture made it one of the most notable noble residences in Ulster, attracting visitors from across Ireland and Britain. About 8 kilometres from Shane's Castle stands Antrim Castle, another historic estate closely connected to the noble history of the region. While Antrim Castle became associated with the Masserine family and later suffered destruction by fire in 1922, Shane's Castle remained the ancestral seat of the O'Neills. Together, the two estates reflect the rich aristocratic heritage surrounding Lough Neagh. Today, the ruins of Shane's Castle remain a striking landmark beside the lake. Although partially destroyed by fire in 1816, the surviving walls and estate grounds continue to preserve the legacy of the O'Neill dynasty and the historic landscape of Ulster.